Yo, it's good, guys. Happy 4th of July. I'm going to be watching fireworks. That's them over there. That's them. We're definitely in the way of the tree.
Not yet, Mason.
Oh, yeah. Forgot.
Over them,
They're currently playing the national anthem. Y'all may not be able to hear, but I can. With a guitar, which is cool.
There's a drone.
Yep. Always see drones. Fireworks are back there, but it's not yet. I'll pause till the fireworks are ready. Can we not? This is them. This spot is trash. The tree.
Well, we have to move.
Can't back. Sorry that y'all missed some fireworks. We just had to move because of that tree.
Oh, don't fall down.
You don't fall down.
Don't fall in that hole.
Dad, I know. I see it. Can feel. Gotta fix the lighting. Wow. You're up high. Oh my. Don't understand why you aren't. Oh, it need to be in 0.5 for it to be best. Wow. Getting bit up, I think. Ooh, that was pretty. Ooh, that's pretty there, Ma. I'm good. Whoa, smiley face. Oh, that's bright. Ooh. Yeah. That one was a quick flash and an explosion. Like that. Oh, those colors are cool. Pop. Oh, ho, ho. Boom. Wow. Off they're going. Ooh. Whoa, all the way up there. If it has overlooked. That is pretty high up there. Oh, each one pops. That's cool. Oh, that one with the glows coming out with that orange. Is cool. Tip bomb one. Smiley face. Kinda broken though. Itch. Oh. Woo! Wow, they're really high up there. Run where you were coming from. Bop. I just love how. Oh, those down there are cool. Sheesh. Second one was a big move. That is pretty. Whoa, that is pretty. Look at them coming down from up there, Ma. That is pretty, just watching them fall like that.
Right.
Wish y'all could see that, but man, that's pretty. Literally, that's... Oh, jeez. Those pushed out pretty far to head towards us.
Yeah.
Like, they're pretty far back, but those were pretty close to us.
Yeah. At least we're not freezing like we were in Elwood.
Yeah. Oh, that one with the blue in the middle and then the red on the bottom and top is cool. Sheesh. Wow, brightest too. Bright. Man. I don't really know what to call this video. We had to move to get a better view. Now it's not gonna work. The loudest, loudest and brightest fireworks ever. Loudest, brightest, and prettiest fireworks ever. That one on the bottom was pretty low. Wow! Bugs, get away. That was... Oh, those ones just coming out like that were so pretty. And this is Daddy's first fireworks of the year.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Like seeing them in real life, not counting New Year's. Just lights up the whole night sky. That crack was nice and satisfying. Oh my. Love hearing that. Wow. Green one was pretty low. Was that like an N? Wow. These are going pretty high up this year. The prettiest, I'm just gonna put a lot. Oh my gosh. These are up high this year. Good thing I have my phone at 0.5 zoom out. That one's going way up there. That is pretty.
It's like 3D.
All of them are like 3D, Ma. They're going up there this year. I cannot look like that. Wait, Ma, what's that off?
The pole pass. Race pass stand.
Yep.
Gold passes.
Yeah, gold passes. Yeah, no thanks. I'd rather a heated pool in the summer, not a freezing pool in the summer. That was pretty. Boom. Quick flash is cool. Oh, wow. I just love how they light up the whole night sky.
Right.
That was a big one up there. That ring of blue is pretty. That ring right there is pretty. I love all fireworks, guys. I'm sorry. All the smoke you can see down there. Oh, I did not even see that one over there. Oh, I love hearing those ones. Yeah. Ma, can you see all that smoke back there?
Yeah.
Hopefully, hopefully the grand finale is up. That was bright. That would have been tinnitus for Hannah. Chuffing H is a Twitch streamer. Her real name's Hannah. Oh, that's pretty. Hopefully the grand finale's up where those fireworks are, because that smoke will ruin it. Oh. Wow, all the way up there. Yeah, my knee.
Got a bug on me.
No, I've been itching. Oh, that multicolor is pretty. That's pretty. It's been like 11 minutes. Well, 11 or 12 minutes. That's pretty.
Oh, I know what it is.
Wait.
Saturday is Mark's party.
Oh, yeah. This Saturday?
No, it's next week. You
Yeah.
can't go now.
Yeah, I'd
You
rather
got
see
other
plush.
plans.
I'd rather see plush time wins. I love how it flashes. Like if I was just moving.
Yeah.
Wow, that was so pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Get myself into a good position. We can't see the fireworks.
They're too low. There's always a little low crackling.
We can't see them due to the smoke. Look, we can.
Too low.
They're right there. No. Oh my. Oh, that is pretty. I just want to.
Yeah.
Did they not intend to smoke?
They've got a couple more.
I don't think. I hear them. They need the grand finale to be up there. Oh, that is pretty. I'm kind of like they should wait for the grand finale till all that smoke
No, that
clears.
smoke isn't dry. Some of it's fog.
Look, it's.
It'll be fine. Up right there. You can still see.
Yeah. It's gonna be hard to tell if it's a grand finale. I barely see that one. We know it's not the grand finale yet, though,
This is
because
my
it's not
favorite
going
design.
crazy. Yeah. Can y'all go higher, please? The smoke and fog. Ugh.
Can't make it go higher than you're supposed to.
Man, I care about those. That was a frowny face. Not a smiley face, a frowny face. Frowny face. Sad face. Oh, the yellow to red.
Oh, where are you going?
Oh. That is cool. Please be up that high, grand finale. Like all of it. That pop into that is so cool. I still don't know how they make these kind of fireworks. You know it could go to how it's made, but they just have like the old fireworks. My gosh. They already have these stuff. I need to update it. Just not very happy about that fog and smoke combination. I want to see all of it. What? I just seen two and then that.
Yeah.
That was cool. Yeah, y'all definitely can't see that smoke slash fog. It was raining earlier today, so it's hot and the fireworks are cool, so that's what's causing the fog. Fingers telling me. That's pretty. Oh, we can barely see stuff down below. Look. It's finally starting to clear out. That's good. I'd rather. Oh my! That very top one. You can see them now, Ma. I mean, no, you can't because they're done.
Just barely made it in the van.
Wait, what barely made
Yeah,
it?
my phone.
Oh.
Everybody's running.
Jeez! Tonight is for hand. I'm gonna to be careful.
Maybe they're getting smoked out at the pool.
Right.
Looks like it.
It's crazy.
Yeah, looks like it. So we have a good spot. What's showing up there? How high? Wow! Oh my, that is pretty.
It's still hot. I'm gonna pick it up.
That is pretty. No, I say it for all fireworks stuff, but I don't care. They're just all pretty. I've been a fan of fireworks basically since I was like 5. Ooh. At least we know the fog's clearing out. Uh-oh.
It's a ambulance.
Oh, whistlers. Uh-oh, someone's hurt over there.
Yeah, they're just leaving.
No, someone has to be hurt.
Putting their lights on so they can get out faster.
Yeah, true. That's funny. It's like, why are they leaving? Shouldn't y'all stay?
They're leaving because so many people, the smoke must have blown right into all their children.
Yeah, true. You can hear them.
Yeah, that many people.
Here comes the grand finale. Those are pretty.
That ain't it.
No, it's not. Yeah, I was like, that can't be it. That would be the worst. They need to have those fireworks, not just the pop, crackle ones. Pop, crackle, snap. Snap, crackle, pop, get backwards the most. That's pretty. Not really sure why the ambulance was leaving. I mean, policemen aren't. I mean, possibly because they're getting fogged out. But I don't think that'd be like that.
And you can only they got little kids that are tired.
Those. Well, that was right up there. For me, it was much higher than what it was for y'all. Oh my. Yeah. Ooh. That's pretty. That was just a few days. Sheesh. Oh, sheesh. Whistlers. Expecting those fireworks to be louder. Just prepare myself for it. I'm just kidding. That Monica wants to go. I just love how it lights up the night sky.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when we get home, we're definitely lighting more. Uh-oh, they're gonna have to move. That's cool right there. They're gonna like back up. We're gonna need to move too, because they're gonna back out and go around them possibly.
Yeah,
I think they might be getting ready to move. Yeah, they are moving.
we're gonna
Hit us. Just move out of the way now. Just come to where I am. It's kind of wet, but it's okay. Right here is perfect. I'm fine. Right where I am is perfect. I know I'm missing some by looking over at their car, but it's still good for me to look. I'll be able to see them on the video. It's a good part. It's been like 20 minutes. 22, 21. I guess I had to pause for like, what, a minute and a half? Woo! Woo! Yeah, they're moving to get them out. Wow, that is pretty and big. Trish said that's pretty big. Can stay here and get up. Wow. Boom, boom. Oh, I think they're both leaving. I don't know why we're back there. Surprised if they both left. No, we ain't moving. We're staying here till the very end. I like to miss the very end. Whoa! Them just popping up like that was cool. Like slowly went down. Here we go. I was like, that better not have been it. That would have been the lamest grand finale ever and the slowest. That was sounding like birds. No whistlers, birds. Ooh, that's pretty. I just love if I can see the orange after. That's big. That's pretty. No. Let it clear out, please. Well, we aren't moving, Dad. You brought me. So no, you ain't moving. You want me to punch you? You can move the car up. Me and Mommy are gonna stay here. Just move it to make it easier for him. Just bring the chair with. Dang it. Yeah, everyone's getting fogged out over there. Wish I could show y'all, but I don't want y'all to miss the fireworks. And where the ambulance was coming, that's where it's getting fogged out. Meaning it is basically humid. Not the fog again. Y'all can barely see it. They're barely bright enough to get through there. That is bright. That's the grand finale, okay. Yes. And we can only see the very top. Would have been the same anywhere we went. What? They're moving over. Apple! You can hear the whistlers. Is it ever gonna end? It's not gonna end! It's not ending! It's not ending! It's starting to rain, but what? They're still going! What? The never-ending grand finale! This is never ending! We're fine. This is never ending! This is never ending! That was never ending. Yeah, I'm guessing they're kind of hurrying up because it started to rain. Well, it's starting to rain right now.
So we gotta get moving so we're
That-
out of the way.
Yeah, we're blocking traffic.
Hang on. Ouch!
What's that?
Yeah, we're good now. Gotta buckle up, sorry. Gotta buckle up, then I'll do my outro. Yeah, that was definitely... I need the light on. Yeah, that was definitely the longest grand finale I've ever seen. Possibly because they just decided to light off all the other fireworks because they were getting rained
Thank
on.
you so much.
It's like,
Yeah.
park there.
And,
They do have the road blocked over there, so people can't come this way.
yeah.
Yeah.
And,
Look at people
I kind of
now
wish we
one's
could have
like-
seen the entire grand finale, but the smoke and fog
smoke
was
took
making
over.
it.
Yeah.
That's why
sure
everybody
did.
was leaving.
Yeah.
Yeah. But hey, I still
I
like
mean,
to
it
stay
was
towards
foggy
the
and
end.
cloudy anyway. It was
Yeah.
still great. Remember?
Yeah.
I remember 2 years, or the year that we came with Christian and saw them.
Yeah.
It was at least
Oh, they
2
were
years ago.
fantastic,
But
yeah.
it's the same thing. They got like the longest, loudest
Grand finale ever,
grand
yeah.
finale. Yeah, that's what makes it so.
Yeah. But peace out, chat. Love y'all. I'll be posting another video on Saturday for more fireworks. So peace out, chat. Love y'all. Hit the no button, subscribe.